Hello and welcome to Operation Steel Rain. This is UK France turn 3 and let's begin. So UK tech, we're going for anti-sub warfare and long-range aircraft. So anti-sub warfare, let's begin with no change. And long-range aircraft, nope. Anyways, purchases. FEC is going to finish their fortification. ANZAC is going to upgrade its minor factory to medium factory, and lend-lease the Republicans in Spain a militia upgrade. And the main UK economy is going to be building 2 railroads, upgrading 2 militia, and buying 2 more militia. That spends all the money of each of these economies. Let's begin with movement. Fighter in London moves to southern England. British medium bomber moves to southern England. Infantry to southern England. Militia to London. Seaplane moves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to Gibraltar. Militia to Scotland. Actually, no. No, militia stays there. Alright. Destroyer comes off escort duty in A21, joins the First Fleet, as well as another destroyer from A28. This TBD moves 1-2 to stay on escort duty, I suppose. Actually, no, this is all non-combat. And if anything, everything's coming off of escort duty. So this TBD actually moves 1-2, joins the 4th Fleet. Same with this TBD. This destroyer is going to join the 4th Fleet. Yeah, one of these destroyers is going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, join the 1st Fleet. Okay, come on. There we go. This submarine is moving 1, 2, 3 to A28. The air transport is going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to southern England. Let's delete these. This destroyer also comes off escort duty, joins this fleet. Now the light cruiser in the 4th Fleet moves 1, 2, 3, joins the 5th Fleet. That's just 2 destroyers there. Come on. There should be an order to these things. There we go. Let's see, one of these transports is... Which one? Yeah, the FEC transport is going to pick up 2 infantry and strategic... Actually, hold on, no. You can only pick up 1 infantry strategic naval move. It's going to pick up 1 infantry strategic naval move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to drop off an infantry in Calcutta. Actually, no, we're going to change that to British Malaya. sub goes to P50. FEC transport light crew, Anzac light cruiser and Anzac destroyer move 1, 2, join the 5th fleet, except for this transport which goes into port in there. There we go. Is that it? Yeah, I think that'll be it for now. Oh wait, no, this militia is gonna rail down to Sydney. Yeah, that'll be it for now. So then, yeah, FEC finishes its fortification. So, yeah, I'll build the circle off camera. Anzac upgrades its minor factory to a medium factory. And the militia upgrade built in the one slot in the medium factory, moving 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then going in via the minor shipyard. I think we can choose for it to go here. That's where we plan to upgrade the militia. Sure, Token will be very happy to hear about this. Come on, hitboxes. There you go. Ah yes, now placing of this stuff's. Let's see, so the two rails, one is built between Tanganyika and Rhodesia. The other is built between Tanganyika and Sudan. This completes African colonialism, so we get to place a free air base. And we are going to place it in Lower Egypt. Militia and militia upgrade goes into Lower Egypt. And militia upgrade goes into Gibraltar. And with that, we complete the British turn. Onto the French one. We're going to be spending all 9 on an AA gun and finishing the fortification around Paris. So let's grab those. No combat, but actually no, yeah. Leave this right here for now. No combat, but let's see. 2 transports move 1, 2 into C zone M8. French sub moves into I5. Actually no, we'll have it move into I4. 4 subs, that's surprising. Didn't realize I had that many. Not light cruiser. Destroyer moves 1, 2 into M8. 2 battleships and 2 destroyers move 1, 2, 3 to M4. Over here, no change, I don't think. Yeah. have the AA gun built in Paris, and naturally finishing the fortification around Paris, which will also be done off camera. I realize I forgot to do tech. It doesn't really affect us much, but once again, we're going for heavy armor. Come on. Give me that. And we got it. Now all sides need to collect their income. ANZAC collects 3, FEC 5, Britain 13, France 8. France spent all of its money. They are at 8. And with that, we pass it on to the Italian turn. See you next time.